it's Shruti. What's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm gonna recreate this makeup look right here जो मैंने किया था मेरे कजिन के शादी के लिए. If you don't know, मैं थोड़े दिन पहले मेरे नेटिव्स गए थे उडुपी. वहाँ पर मेरे कजिन की शादी थी एंड मैंने ये मेकअप लुक और ये प्यारी सी साड़ी पहनी थी जो मेरी एंगेजमेंट वाली साड़ी भी है बाय द वे. सो या आई लव द लुक दैट आई क्रिएटेड और तभी मुझे टाइम नहीं मिला एक्चुअली ये सब उधर शूट वूट करने के लिए. तो आई थॉट घर आके मैं अच्छे से आपको वापस ये रिक्रिएट करके दिखाऊंगी. सो दैट्स व्हाट दिस वीडियो इज ऑल अबाउट. इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड डेफिनेटली कीप वॉचिंग टिल द एंड एंड लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. Let's start with skincare first. मैंने कुछ भी नहीं लगाया हुआ है. So the first thing I'm gonna use is Faye Hydra Milk Toner. मुझे काफी ज्यादा पसंद है, काफी लाइट वेट है. Perfect for this monsoon season I feel. And also summer season में if you don't want anything extra heavy on your skin, this toner is perfect. और मैंने ज्यादा कुछ लेकर भी नहीं गई थी. This is the toner that I took along with me. Don't forget your neck. The first step is obviously a nice toner. And the second thing I applied was a sunscreen, and of course has to be my favorite one. This is by Beauty of Joseon. It's their SPF 50 PA++. काफी प्यारा सनस्क्रीन है. मॉनसून सीजन अभी ऑलमोस्ट चल ही रहा है और इतना हेवीली वहां पर बारिश हो रही है. जिस दिन हम लोग गए थे लाइक द वेडिंग डे, डेज बिफोर दैट इट वॉज रेनिंग लाइक कैट्स एंड डॉग. काफी ज्यादा हैवी रेनफॉल हो रहा था. तो वॉज क्लाउडी बट स्टिल SPF is a must. Honestly works as a moisturizer and a sunscreen. I love how moisturizing this is. Gives a perfect glowy texture to my skin. Plus no white cast. I genuinely love using this underneath my makeup. Like look at that glow. Early morning उठ के ready होना था. काफी ज्यादा chaos था. मुझे actually ये shoot वहीं पर करना था but as I said, शादी का घर, that your native place, so many people and पूरे घर में लोग भर के थे. So I just didn't want to make other people uncomfortable. So yeah, that's the reason I thought घर जाके वापस मैं ये recreate कर लूंगी. For makeup, my first step is always going to be Mars God's Glow Illuminator. ये इतना अच्छा product है. If you don't have it, definitely grab this one. I am in the shade 03 beige and it's a perfect match for me. और सबसे बेस्ट चीज मुझे इसकी लगती है कि इसमें थोड़ा कवरेज भी है. I love using this right under my eyes first, then a little bit on the cheeks, on the forehead, and because ये wedding है तो मुझे मैच भी करना है बॉडी को. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit on my body as well. And to blend it, of course I'm gonna use the Mars 4-in-1 brush. ये भी काफी अच्छा ब्रश है. If you don't have any brush, this will be the brush I would recommend. Just go for it. It's a very nice dense brush. And let's just blend everything in. ये इतना अच्छे से glow देता है. Plus it has a little bit of coverage as well, which I absolutely love. Also, this साड़ी specifically is very special to me because ये मेरी engagement वाली साड़ी है. एंगेजमेंट में ऑब्वियसली मैंने 2 आउटफिट्स पहने हुए थे. सो द फर्स्ट आउटफिट आई वोर इज दिस साड़ी और इसी में वो सारे यू नो मंडप वाले जो भी चीज़ें होती है, पूजा एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, प्रायर रिंग एक्सचेंज, वो सारे रीति रिवाज के लिए मैंने ये वाली साड़ी पहनी हुई थी. एंड मेकअप एंड हेयर स्टाइल, आई थिंक वो मेरा ट्रायल मेकअप था. एंड you wouldn't see a lot of photos of me in that makeup just because वो मेकअप मुझे बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं लगा था. That was as I said trial makeup था वो मेरा. And मेरे सामने कोई भी मिरर नहीं था. So it was like I fully blindly trusted my makeup artist. And उसने काफी ज्यादा डार्क मेकअप किया हुआ था. Very heavy it was. And it was looking cakey as F. और मेरा अगर आपने मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल्स देखा होगा तो मैं उतना केकी मेकअप नहीं करती हूँ. Not only that, the eyebrows. It was so big and so dark कि वो एकदम उठ के दिख रहा था मेरे फेस पे. तो in general मैं लग ही नहीं रही थी. Everyone was looking at me as like, is she okay? कि क्या किया हुआ है इसने फेस पे. And I understand. मैं भी खुद को देख के वही सोच रही थी कि क्या किया हुआ है, एंड इट वॉज टू लेट, आई वॉज ऑलरेडी लेट, तो मैं निकाल के वापस भी नहीं कर सकती थी. सो या आई डिडंट हैव अ चॉइस. सो ये मैंने अच्छे से ब्लेंड कर लिया है. एंड इन केस अगर मैं मेरा मेकअप करती खुद पे, this is how I would go about it. So in case if you want to do your makeup all on your own, then this makeup might be a great opportunity for you to stock up on good products, because जो भी मैं products use कर रही हूँ इतने अच्छे हैं, and I would highly recommend them as well. So the second product I'm going to use is this ELF Putty Color Correcting Eye Brightener. Such a great product, especially if you have under eyes or dark circles है under eyes पे. I'm just gonna apply a little bit. Very creamy and very easy to blend. आप obviously fingers use कर सकते हो, but I'm just gonna use the same brush because you're in a rush when you're getting ready and you don't have like 10 different brushes. This is perfect. ये बहुत अच्छे से अंडर आइज को करेक्ट करता है, ब्राइटन अप करता है, एंड इसके ऊपर जब आप कंसीलर लगाओगे ना, this is perfect. And I am in the shade medium tan, so if you are similar shade then medium tan is your color. And I love that इसमें भी ना काफी अच्छे color options है, shade options है, so you don't have to worry about. Look at my under eyes, there are no darkness, it has corrected it beautifully. और इसके ऊपर जब मैं concealer लगाऊंगी ना, it's gonna look perfect. Zero blend weightless foundation, काफी अच्छा foundation है, and you just need a very 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 tiny amount. मेरा तो like literally दिख भी नहीं रहा है ये, तो इतना सा enough हो जाता है to cover my whole entire face. And honestly my face already looks prepped, so I don't need a lot of product. But still, wedding है, important event है, so I just want a little bit more coverage than the usual, I would say. Again, this color, I think this is 05 Biscotti Bliss. Perfect shade match for me. So if you again similar shade match shade के हो मेरे, then Biscotti Bliss is a perfect option for you guys. And of course I'm gonna go ahead and blend it with the same brush. Just tap 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 tap. Also कोई भी artificial light use नहीं किया. I'm just sitting in front of my window and shooting. So आप देख सकते हो natural light में कैसा लग रहा है मेकअप मेरे फेस पे. I am loving this makeup. इतना नेचुरल लगता है, बिल्कुल भी हैवी नहीं लगता है. ऑल द प्रोडक्ट्स आपके स्किन पे ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं लगने वाला है कि यू हैव लाइक अ लेयर ऑफ प्रोडक्ट ऑन योर फेस, विच आई फील लाइक मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द पीपल लाइक. ब्लेंड ब्लेंड ब्लेंड. मार्स का ये वाला कंसीलर, आई थिंक जो मैं मेकअप कर रही हूँ उसके साथ ये वाला कंसीलर परफेक्टली जाता है. सो दिस इज बाय मार्स, इट्स अ कैंसल कंसीलर एंड आई एम इन द शेड 05 सैंडस्टोन. Perfect concealer, very light. It just illuminates, hydrates and conceals. Again, I don't do extremely heavy. Itna more than enough hai for me using the same exact brush. I think I'm literally using this brush for all the products that I'm applying on my face. Tap 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 tap. अगर आपको थोड़ा heavy coverage चाहिए अंडर आइज के लिए, I would recommend the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. And also this makeup lasted me a really long time. Also अगर light continuously fluctuate हो रहा है, that's because it's monsoon, बीच में ही काले बादल आ रहे हैं, बीच में it's getting super sunny, so please bear with me. तो next चीज मैं apply करने वाली हूँ, it's this Water Tint by Etude. I think this is the perfect time to apply this, and this will obviously kind of be like a underpainting. Love applying this on my lips and on my cheeks. I like to go a little heavy because as I said ये underpainting हो रहा है, इसके ऊपर भी और products आने वाले हैं, and वो products अगर चले भी जाए, this will be underneath. Before going ahead with powder products, obviously layer up with the cream products. Next, I just want to add a little bit of color on my face. For that, I'll be using the ELF Halo Glow Beauty Wand in the shade. This is their contour shade in medium tan. Perfect है especially for Indian skin tone and if you're similar to me. Let's blend this. बहुत easily ये blend होता है. That's what I love about this product, and look at that glow. If you don't want it to look extremely dark, then obviously don't apply itna zyada. Like, look at it. Look at this side. Before, after. It's looking so good. कितना easily ये blend होता है. 2 minutes पहले it was sunny and now it's raining like cats and dogs. So next step is going to be blush. So I'm using the Faye blush in the shade Wifey. बहुत ही प्यारा shade है and it's like that one shade जो सबको अच्छा लगेगा. I'm just gonna dot it 3 little dots and blend. Wow, do you see how well that blends? बिल्कुल भी ज़्यादा effort नहीं लेना पड़ता है. Just blend. It literally looks like I'm blushing from within. बहुत ही प्यारा color है. So if you're looking for that one shade that is very natural yet it looks very pretty, Wifey. Yeah, I'm happy with the blush. Blush थोड़ा events पे थोड़ा heavy रखना चाहिए थोड़ा, because अभी मैं powder भी करने वाली हूँ. It is gonna subdue. So let's set all the cream products. For that I'll be using the Mars Trend Setting Powder. Love this powder and I have it in the shade Soft Light. Beautiful powder. और ये मैं थोड़ा heavy ही केक अप करने वाली हूँ because I want this makeup to last. And also बहुत सारे photos होते हैं, cameras होते हैं and you need to make sure that you don't have a lot of oiliness, especially around this T-zone area. आप clearly देख सकते हो the T-zone and the under eyes मैंने काफ़ी heavy लगाया है and that's completely fine because मेरे skin पे ये वाला area बहुत ही ज़्यादा जो पोर्स है काफ़ी ज़्यादा विजिबल है एंड पाउडर करने से इट लुक्स वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. अभी मैंने ऐसे ही रखने वाली हूँ. लेट इट चिल, लेट इट बेक फॉर अ वाइल. तब तक हम आईज पे फोकस करते हैं. लेट्स डू द आईब्रोज फर्स्ट. काफ़ी ज़्यादा वियर्ड लग रहा है. फॉर दैट आई विल बी यूजिंग द एल्फ इंस्टेंट लिफ्ट ब्राउ पेंसिल. काफ़ी अच्छा ब्राउ पेंसिल है ये. सो आई एम जस्ट गोना ब्रश इट एंड फिल देम इन फर्स्ट. Before, after, काफ़ी अच्छे से ये fill in करता है. This is step number 1. I'm going to set my eyebrows using ELF Wow Brow Tinted Gel. Now this is also gonna fill it in a little bit and set them in place. So I'm just gonna go ahead once like this and then उल्टा like this. तो जो भी बचा कुचा area है जो fill नहीं हुआ है, anything like that, this is just gonna fluff it up and fill them in as well. Just brush and set them in place. See, this is looking a little bit more better, है ना? Now you can stop over here because this is looking absolutely perfect, but I'm gonna set it even more because I want this eyebrows to last till evening. So I'm gonna use the ELF again. It's their clear brow lash and eyebrow mascara. I'm gonna use the brow side of it. It's literally clear mascara and just set this thing in place. That's all this does. So this is how the eyebrows look like. I like it. Also the blush and the bronzer that I've applied, it's not looking extremely heavy. अभी काफ़ी अच्छे से blend हो गया, subdue हो गया, which I love. Let's do the eye makeup. My eyes are looking bald. So for that, I'll be using the Makeup Revolution palette. This palette is called Forever Flawless Affinity. The colors in this are beautiful and perfect for a wedding makeup look. आप देख सकते हो काफ़ी matte shades है, perfect for blending, a lot of shimmer shades, and obviously I'm wearing a yellow and pink color. So I'm gonna keep it more on the pink side and I feel like majority of the Indian sarees हैं ये उसमें pink अच्छे से suit होता है सब पे. So let's do a beautiful pink eye for this beautiful saree. I have come a little closer ताकि आप eyes का properly देख पाओ. So the first color I'm gonna use is Force all over the eyelid and I'll just use this brush. Dip. कुछ rocket science नहीं है. Literally I'm just applying this all over the lid. I'm gonna darken it up a little bit later. First I'm actually gonna pick this shade Loyal. ये थोड़ा brown shade है. I think it's gonna look beautiful with the pink as a transition shade. So I'm just gonna pick that up and swipe it only and only on the upper lid. और ये पैलेट काफ़ी अच्छा है, बिल्कुल भी नीचे फॉल आउट नहीं है इसका, विच इज़ परफेक्ट बिकॉज आई लाइक टू डू माई मेकअप एंड देन डू माई आईज. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो अच्छा खासा पिगमेंटेशन है इसका. जस्ट डू द स्वाइप मोशन लाइक दिस एंड at the end I like to flick it out like this. It gives a nice like a cat eye effect. Again I'm gonna go ahead with the pink shade Force and darken up a little. I'm not gonna do a very complicated eye look. I'm keeping it very very simple ताकि easily आप ये achieve भी कर पाओ और doable हो, you know. Next going in with that transition shade again and just blending the pink and the brown. Okay, next I'm gonna go ahead with this darker brown shade called Connect and ये मैं apply करने वाली हूँ on the upper lid, the bottom lid, थोड़ा darkness add करने के लिए because smoky look अच्छा लगता है. Just flick it at the end. So ये कुछ ऐसा लग रहा है. I think the darkness around the upper and bottom area really ties the whole look together, and don't worry, I'm gonna do a much better job with a kajal. But first I'm gonna add in the shimmer, and for that I'll be using this shade called Bond. बहुत अच्छा color है and it's just gonna bring the whole look together, and I'm gonna concentrate it mainly near the inner corner, and of course I'm gonna blend it out as well. इतना प्यारा बाबी शेड है यार ये. आई लव दिस कलर. दिस shimmer is so pretty. It's definitely a showstopper. Like, look at that. It's looking so pretty. Again, I'm gonna go ahead with the transition brown color and just fix it up over here a bit. Next, I'm gonna go ahead with a darker kajal. This is the Plum Black Studio Kajal. ये मुझे पसंद है because ये बिल्कुल भी smudge नहीं होता है. Once it gets set, it's not gonna go anywhere. I hate it when dark kajal पूरा under eyes पे spread होके it looks like a panda eye. This is not gonna make that happen, you know. So I'm just gonna use this slightly bottom waterline ताकि थोड़ा और depth add हो. Not gonna drag it near the inner corners, only at the bottom. And then using this brush I'm just gonna blend that in. थोड़ा और dark कर लेती हूँ. This smokiness added makes a lot of difference. Like, look at that eye, it's looking so pretty. Of course, to finish off the eyes, we can't forget the mascara. Love this one by Maybelline. It's a Sky High mascara. Absolute favorite. Waterproof है. It will last a really long time and it really holds the curl. That's what I like. In case you're like me who does not like to wear falsies, then this mascara is your go-to. Like, just look at that before and after. This mascara adds volume, it adds length, it adds everything. Wow. I'm just gonna add a little bit of this white highlighting attraction near the inner corners to like highlight it a bit. And with that, my eye makeup look is complete. I love the way it turned out. It turned out actually exactly how I did that day as well. Love that. We are almost done with the makeup. Let me just set this first, and for that I'll be using the Mars Seal the Deal. I love the spray on this. It's very fine and like perfect. And this will make sure that my makeup sets and stays intact for the whole day. By the time that sets in, let's complete the lips. For that I'll be using the Faye Lip Liner in the shade Top Line. Let's quickly line the upper lip. It's very creamy. And then I'm going to use the Faye Lip Whip in the shade Safe Word. I think this lipstick just ties everything together so well. I'm gonna go ahead with the lip liner again and make it a little bit more prominent. And with that, the makeup look is complete. I am just loving the way it turned out. I think अगर मेरा engagement में मैंने खुद से किया होता, then this is how my makeup would have turned out. And I think I would have loved that a little better. But nonetheless, I love the makeup look and I think it's complementing this sari also very beautifully. This is exactly how I did on the day of my cousin's wedding as well. अभी तक मैंने कुछ ज्वेलरी वो सब पहना नहीं है. You know what? Let me just take a second, wear all the jewelry, tickly and all of that, and I'll be back. I am back with jewelry and I think this just makes such a huge difference. The makeup is looking absolutely beautiful और ऐसे ही किया था मैंने उस दिन भी and I love that it just turned out exactly how I did that day. Love the Kangan and everything all together. It's giving me South Indian core, which I absolutely love. So this is the complete makeup look. And that's it for today's video, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Let me know in the comments down below what video do you want me to film next. सारे products के link मैंने description में दे दिए हैं. I've also put my storefront link जहाँ पर आपको सारे products एक जगह पे मिल जाएंगे. With that said, like, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.